Hi everyone! Ayan, nasa cabin na ako. Both deck department and engine department may schedule. So I'm in charge sa pag-duty nila. Ito mga tourist na kasama namin. Hindi namin kilala. Hi! Mag-hi kayo. Mag-hi ka gabi. Yes! This is how small my cabin is. May instructions pala dito kung paano gamitin yung life vest na nandun. This is the galley department of To Go. So ito yung mga foods namin. Kasama ko to sa council, pati to council din. May charging station tayo, which is para, anong tawag doon? Machine na nilalagyan ng barya?
Automatic. Automatic charging station.
Oh, basta ganun. Charging station siya. Nilalagyan ng barya. So 5 PM kasi yung dinner namin dito, and while inaayos namin yung files and yung scheduling, ongoing na yung mga cadets na nasa pila for dinner at exactly 5 PM. Nasa, anong side to ng barko? Port side. Port side. Tama, galing. May mga natututunan. Tingnan nyo yung waves. Nasa port side po kami. Kasi magbablog ako, i-upload ko to. Cavite? Sus!
Kasi, according to my Google Maps.
Wow!
Bas tayo.
Wow! Hindi ka na chief engineer yan, kapitana Bibit. Nasa part tayo ng barko. So may mga islands na malapit sa ating tulad yan. This is the smoking area. Ayan. May mga bagong cars kami nadala ng aming barko. Ayan. Hi guys, good morning. 5 na po dito. Ayan, pakagising po namin. Nagpipila na yung mga cadets. We're just waiting for our breakfast to be served. Ayun, makakain na. Ang security. Hi guys, tignan nyo kung gaano kagalante ang To Go. Masyado ang maaga. Our scheduled time is at 8 AM. Hi guys, ongoing yung emergency drill. Ewan ko, mag-abandon ship ata sila. So anong drill yung gagawin nila emergency drill?
Pumunta kasi yung isang kasama na STO doon. Wala pa man, hindi pa naman bumalik.
Abandon ship. Abandon ship. Drill lang yun guys. Meron sila. Mas lecture doon na. Meron. Drill lang guys. Drill lang yan para in case of any emergency sa ship. Alam nila yung gagawin. Yeah.
Sige, partner.
Hello guys, good morning. Day 3. Day 3 na pala. And yun na yung start ng duty namin. So, duty na kami ngayon. Okay. Dala namin yung booklet kasi maglalagay na kami ng informations.
Guys, currently we're here at side na to ng baba na to ng
General Santos City. Tapos on the way na kami pa Davao. Hi guys, so nasa harap kami ng elevator. Update. Anong kasama? Kasama namin supporting engineer. Yung pindutin dyan pero hindi namin alam. So magkakaroon kami ng familiarization. Hi kayo guys. Hi Chief Engineer. Hi guys, we got an autograph guys. kay Chief Engineer ko. Ayan. Kay Second Engineer. Diba?
I reassure that every day my love is strong and gently placed in your heart. Is shown I can't live without every mountain, every sea of mine. But if you don't want my love, and if
Hi guys! Lumawag na sila. Tataas na kami. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw. Tapos may duty pa kami tomorrow. So guys, bukas ulit. UNC, meron kargado dito ng mga sasakyan. Amin yan talaga. Toyota ba ka na?
cross as a doubt, I
Hi guys! So, we're currently approaching the port of Davao. So, malapit na kami. So, yung may mga nag-duty sa taas sa may tech department, makikita nila yung pag-approach ng ship sa port ng Davao. So, hindi ko naman docu yun kasi nasa bridge sila and hindi kami allowed na pumasok sa bridge if hindi namin duty. And one more thing, engine department ako. So, yung napakita ko kanina, engine department lang. Hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung tech department. So, sad to say. Hi guys, as you can see, dahil passenger vessel ito at cruise ship ito, may mga lumalabas na dadaong sa Davao. So, malabas na sila. Nagdi-disembark na sila ngayon dito sa barko. This is how the port looks like. May mga cargos dyan. And then, hakutin nyo ng mga cargo vessel natin. Touchdown, Davao! We're here at the passenger terminal building ng Davao, Port of Davao. Sit na tayo sa gate 7 ng Port of Davao. And then may sasakyan tayo. Hello guys, grabe. Ito yung sinakyan namin. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, but we're papunta kami sa Sasa 11, palengke ng Davao. Guys, yung sinasakyan namin at the Davao. Hello everyone.
Nakapasok na kami guys.
So this is Gaisano Mall of Davao City. We're here in front of the hypermarket. We're on our way sa souvenir area ng Gaisano Mall. Tapos nang bumili mga pinabili sa amin. So galing kaming depth store kanina. Depth store ng mall. Doon yung may mga souvenirs and t-shirts. Doon kami nakabili kanina. So for now, alis muna kami. Uwi na muna. And I will update you guys pag makarating na kami. Stress na kami guys, stress na. Hello guys, andito na kami sa may taxi. Palis na kami. Papunta na kami sa Port of Davao Gate 7. Hi guys, so for now, andito na kami sa Port of Davao. Nakasakay na kami sa shuttle. And nandito na yung mga pinamili namin. Papunta na kami sa, ayan o, mga pinamili namin. So see you guys later. Bye. Stock room lang. Ganda. Ang kukupal nyo. Okay guys, nasa machine shop kami. Yung ulam natin,
every mountain, every sea can never stray a bird in me, no matter the state of space and time. Keep us not just today, but every year. You were made to keep your focus in my mind. But if you don't want my love, and if you want something more.
sir na. Hello guys. Nasa Port of Iloilo na kami nakapalit. Hello guys. Isa-clutch yung 30 minutes. So pinayagan kaming bumababat only for 30 minutes.
Made to keep your focus in my mind. But if you don't want my love,
Welcome to City of Iloilo. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa port kasi may mga ferries doon. So, medyo limited na yung time namin. Papunta na kami. Ayan, may ferry sa likod ko. They're approaching us. Pabalik na kami. Alis na. Nasa harap na kami ng port, guys. So, ganun lang ka-short yung pagpasok namin. Ito yung kupal na mayor namin, guys. Sinek lang yung bag namin, guys. Hindi na dinaan sa may parang scanner, ano yun? Hindi ko ang tawag doon. So, andito na kami sa loob ng mismong terminal, Port of Iloilo. Pabalik na kami sa may ship namin. Nako, parang nasa sunburn na ang tao na to. Vessel namin, guys. Malapit na kami. Pabalik na kami. I'll see you guys later. Hi guys. Nalilinis na kami ng cabin. It's our last night here. From officer today, one naging housekeeping sa last day. Hi Seth, third mate. So, hello guys. I've already packed up my things. Yung expected time of arrival namin sa Port of Manila, it's 9:30, pero I think delayed na kami, so mga 10:30 na yung makakarating. Hey guys, paalis na kami. Nasa harap tayo ng Philippine Ports Authority, so nandito na yung bus namin.